Welcome to the Focus University course for Elementary Scheduling in version 9. In this lesson, we will learn how to package sections together. When scheduling for the upcoming school year, we'll want to make sure that the correct school year is selected in the drop-down found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. I will be scheduling for the 2019-2020 school year, so I'll want to click this drop-down and select the appropriate year. Now I'm ready to begin. We have two options for packaging our courses together. The first option that we'll review is in the scheduling menu in courses and sections. Today I'll be working with a third grade teacher, so I'll select the third grade subject. And I'll click on my third grade homeroom class. And now I'll be working with teacher Totten. Package scheduling ties multiple sections together for ease in scheduling. It may also be referred to as parenting, batching, or linking. The homeroom section is most commonly identified as the parent section. All other sections assigned to the teacher are called child sections. This includes specials or related art sections. So this is why we have our homeroom third grade class open first. Unless the district has a defined naming structure, it is recommended to name the sections with the same section number. For example, this homeroom class is section 301. It is recommended to also use 301 as the section identifier for the other courses that are going to go into this package, such as math, reading, science, social studies, and special area classes. This will greatly assist during the packaging process. My class section 301 currently does not have any sections attached to it yet. I know this because in the parent section option, I have none. In order to package or parent sections to this homeroom course, I need to go to that particular section. So I will click on my Language Arts course and select Teacher Totten's 301 section. To package this section to the homeroom section, I will click on Choose My Parent section. I will select third grade, my homeroom class, and I'll select section 301 with Totten. And I will click Save. Now you'll see the parent section is indicated as homeroom third grade, section 301. I'll do this again for the rest of my courses that need to be in this package. So let's go to Math. I'll select Totten 301. I'll choose my parent section, third grade, homeroom, and 301, and click Save. Now we have our math class and language arts class attached to that homeroom section for Miss Totten 301. If I ever need to remove a section from their parent, I'll click Choose, and here's our option to remove the parent. I'll click that and save. Now you'll notice I do not have that section attached to that homeroom class any longer. Next, we'll review our second way to package our sections together. Here we'll go to the scheduling menu and we'll select Create Packages. I still want to select Totten 301 as my parent homeroom section. So I'm going to start searching, and in your search bar you can start putting in the teacher's name, you can put in the section number, You can put in the course number, whatever is easiest for you to identify the course that you need. So here's my homeroom, 3rd grade, 301 with Taunton. That is my parent homeroom section. A package can only have one parent course, but we can have multiple child courses. So next to my children's sections, you'll notice we didn't delete the language arts section. It's still attached to that homeroom 3rd grade class. But now I need to package the rest of the classes. So I'll click my children's sections drop down and I'll start filtering. I'm going to filter by 301. And I'm filtering by 301 because I want to grab all of those sections that are 301 because that group of students, all of their courses are going to be attached to the homeroom course. So I need to attach my math class, my science class, language arts, social studies, but also my special area classes, so music, PE, any other classes that need to be in this package. I'll click out of that drop-down and hit Save. Now you'll see my parent homeroom section is still that 3rd grade homeroom section 301, but here are the other courses that I packaged to homeroom: language arts, math, music, PE, science, and social studies. It is recommended that your section IDs, your short names, are matching for these courses because you want to identify the package for those students. It's particularly important when you're departmentalizing. The sections with 301 are going to identify that group of students. So you'll have all of the courses that that group of students need to have that are in this particular homeroom. It's also important to note that a child course cannot also be a parent. That will cause conflicts. If I need to remove any of these sections from my package, I can simply click on the drop-down, deselect that course, and save. Or if I needed to remove all of them, I can clear everyone that's selected, removes all of them, and I can save. Let's go ahead and put those 301 courses back so I can show you what this looks like. I'll grab those courses and save. A great place to view these packages, of course, on this screen, Create Packages. Or if we go to the Scheduling menu and select Master Schedule Report, I'll want to click on the Linked Sections tab. Now I'm going to filter by 3rd grade. Let's find Miss Taunton. Here's Miss Taunton. Here's her homeroom class. And here's all of those courses that we just packaged together. The Master Schedule Report is just a nice way to view this information. This concludes the lesson on packaging sections for elementary scheduling.